Okay, here I have my common-emitter switch on the breadboard. So I have two equally registered to create voltage divider, so I can get 4.5 volt instead of 9 volt. So, and for the transistor, the emitter is connected to ground, and the collector is connected to the 1.5 kilo ohm resistor, and for the base it's connected to the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. And I also have my both resistor 4.7 and 1.7 connected to my to the voltage divider circuit. And now if I take the measurement of to the collector with respect to ground, I will receive a voltage of 1.68 volt. Okay, thank you.